I came across this YouTube video on YouTube, and it was about how to make better looking charts in Excel and how to make them look like charts in the Economist magazine. And I don't use Excel, I use Google Sheets, so I wanted to try to do this in Google Sheets. So what I did first was I copied this data set into a Google Sheet. And the next thing I'll need to do is I'll need to make this chart. So I'm going to highlight my data and do insert chart. And now this is not a column chart. This is a bar chart, but it's a bar chart, a stacked bar chart, a horizontally stacked bar chart. So the next thing I'll need to do is let's start with the title. So this is China's military tech still lags the West. Okay. And next, I have a subtitle, Navy balance. I'll just do Navy balance to make it simple. So I need to change the chart title to chart subtitle. And right here I can put okay. Next, I need to add these data points. So what I can do is I can go to series. And now, instead of all series, I'm going to go to China and just put data labels. And then United States, data labels. Now, the data labels in this are to the ends, so I need to change that. And I can do that by just on the US. The US is fine. So I'll switch it to China and go position. And I think it's inside end. Inside base. Now, I'm drawing a blank here. The key needs to be aligned to the right. So I don't actually remember where. Okay, so if I align it to it's on the legend. So if I align it to the right, it goes all the way out to the right. I don't want that. Okay, so what I can do here is I can take a screenshot. Okay, I can If I wanted to change the font, I could. I could add a source, I think. No, I would have to add a source. Something like that. And then, I could match the font using some sort of either website or Chrome extension. But that's how I would set this up in Google Sheets.